I'm Robert Smith, President of FirstService Residential's South Region. We're focused on making life simplified for the 1,500 plus communities we manage in Florida, Georgia, Alabama, and Tennessee. Thanks for choosing us to care for your communities. Our goal is pretty straightforward. We're here to make your lives easier and your communities better, so you can focus on enjoying where you live. That means we're going beyond managing the day-to-day operations, providing you, our board members, with the necessary resources to run your associations and excel in your positions. Resources like educational webinars with FirstService Energy. Our new program, EV Charging Made Simple, not only saves you money, but helps you navigate the installation process. Another resource, advisory services with FirstService Financial. Managing finances for your association might seem complex. We offer tailored solutions for cash management, loans, and insurance, empowering you to make smart financial decisions. We also keep you informed about changes in legislation. Our Florida clients in particular have received a lot of information related to the 2024 legislative session. Knowing how new laws will impact your community is crucial, and we're here to guide you through it with our video updates and webinars. We take pride in how we respond when the community needs us most. Safety is a top priority. Through any type of weather, our property managers make sure your communities are prepared, and in the event of a storm, they'll help the association get back to normal as quickly as possible. We provide the resources you need to make educated decisions in the best interest of your homeowners. At the end of the day, it's about giving you peace of mind. Thank you for all you do to serve your communities.